Okay, in continuation with our previous lecture about pyrazole, imidazole, aromaticity, and all. So last time we have seen the structure of imidazole. In that one, we have seen one nitrogen is pyridine-like, one nitrogen is uh, pyrrole-like. Okay. So the thing is now, what is the case regarding pyrazole? So here I have shown two to three structures. So first one is, so here is the imidazole structure. We have seen everything regarding the imidazole. So lone pair in on this pyrrole-like nitrogen, the lone pair in present in 2p-z orbital. Okay. So pay attention. Lone pair which is present on the nitrogen atom, which is pyrrole-like nitrogen atom, of that lone pair is present in 2p-z orbital, and that lone pair is taking part in aromatic sextet. Okay. So this one is not available for protonation. So lone pair which is present on pyrrole like nitrogen, that lone pair is not available for protonation. Now another lone pair which is present on pyridine like nitrogen. Pyridine like nitrogen, that means nitrogen which is double bonded with the carbon atom. So that one is the pyridine like nitrogen atom. And the lone pair which is present on the that nitrogen atom, that one is present in hybridized sp2 orbital. Okay, so lone pair present in the sp2 hybridized orbital, and this lone pair is not taking part in aromatic sextet. So that one is the free. Okay, so this lone pair is free, and that one is present outside the ring. So that's why it's that one is easily available for the protonation. Okay, so difference, see the difference. I have shown here with colored this lone pair, and these two bonds, they are red colored. That means these are involved in aromatic sextet. This lone pair of this color which is present on this nitrogen atom, pyridine like nitrogen atom, that one is in black color. So that one is available for the protonation. Okay, so next one, in case of pyrazole, that one we have seen imidazole. So now we will shift to the pyrazole. So in pyrazole and single and we have at first and second position. So now we have to go for which one is pyrrole like nitrogen, which one is pyridine like nitrogen. So here you can see NH bond. Okay, the same like imidazole. Okay, so here is NH bond, that one is pyrrole like nitrogen. So this is acidic hydrogen. Okay, and again we have C double bond N. Okay, so this is pyridine like nitrogen, and lone pair which is present on the nitrogen, the same like imidazole. This is easily available for the protonation or anything. That means it acts as a this lone pair acts as a, this nitrogen is acts as a basic nitrogen. So and the lone pair which is present on the N1, okay, at the first position, this one is involved in the aromatic sextet. So these properties of these two, imidazole and pyrazole, they are quite resembling with each other. Okay, so no need to get confused in these things. Only pay attention on the basic things. Now here, pyrrole like nitrogen, pyridine like nitrogen. Okay, so now I have written over here that the tautomere of pyrazole structures. Okay, the tautomere, how can you write, how can you write in different structures of the pyrazole, that different in different ways. Okay, so this nitrogen, normally we do number this nitrogen which holds hydrogen. That one is first number, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so here you can exchange this hydrogen atom from this nitrogen to this nitrogen. Okay, so here then again the same structure, only substitutes. If substituted pyrazole is there, then there would be the question of numbering or nomenclature. But if free pyrazole or free imidazole is there, then we cannot show the uh, we should be careful about the writing down the structure also. Okay, so these are the tautomer. You can write either in this way or in this way. Okay, tautomer of the pyrazole I have given here. So these things are clear now. Which nitrogen is pyrrole like, which nitrogen is pyridine like, which nitrogen is contributing its lone pair for aromatic sextet, which nitrogen is not contributing its lone pair for aromatic sextet. And now we will switch the next thing here again, that the same thing I am getting clear here. This nitrogen is also sp2 hybridides. Nitrogen is sp2 hybridides. Okay, so the two nitrogen atoms are adjacent in pyrazole, as we saw for imidazole. One of them is pyrrole-like and nitrogen, while the other one is aromatic. Pyrrole-like nitrogen is a non-basic nitrogen. Again, see, with red colored I have shown pyrrole-like nitrogen is non-basic. That means that one is acidic, with a lone pair involved in aromaticity, but rather acidic. Okay, so that one is acidic, which has hydrogen atom. And if we will treat with strong base like sodium hydride, that proton can be deprotonated very easily. Okay, so pyrrole like nitrogen is non-basic. That means it's acidic, and that hydrogen can easily deprotonated with treatment with the sodium hydride. Whereas the pyridine like nitrogen has a lone pair in sp2 hybridized orbital and is therefore basic and nucleophilic. See, again I said basic and nucleophilic. Okay, so remember the terms for the pyrrole like nitrogen and remember the terms for the pyridine like nitrogen. Next one, as in pyrroles. Okay, so we do compare both these molecule pyrrole and pyridine, pyrrole and imidazole with pyridine and pyrrole. These are the parent molecule, and we do compare the data of pyrazole imidazole with these two molecules, pyrrole and pyridine. As in pyrrole, its aromaticity is dependent on the lone pair. Okay, and it is not available. Okay, because it's aromaticity. Any lone pair not in the sigma plane is in pi system. Okay, so the lone pair which is not in sigma plane, that one present in the pi system. Okay, so we will see on next slide what is the sigma plane, what is the pi plane. If the nitrogen is doubly bonded, see, we designated the nitrogen which is doubly bonded, that one is pyridine like nitrogen. If the nitrogen is doubly bonded, it is basic. Okay, as it is in the p orbital plane. So these all sentences are very important. If objective types examination are there, so maybe you have to play with all these things, all these small words, and might be questions on these things. This pair lies in a sigma orbital. Okay, so what we in which nitrogen, on which nitrogen we are talking about, or we are talking about the C double bond N nitrogen, which is pyridine like. That which nitrogen is doubly bonded, it is basic, and that one is present, the lone pair is present in p the p orbital, that shape of that p orbital, that one is in p orbital plane. Okay, this pair lies in a sigma orbital, orthogonal or perpendicular, and is sp2 hybridized. Okay, available for bonding to H plus. That means this lone pair is present in p orbital plane. So we'll see now what is the structure, or what is the arrangement of these all these p orbitals, which is present on pyrrole like nitrogen and which is present on the pyridine like nitrogen. So here I am showing the uh, all these. Okay, how you can say these structures with all lobes and all. Okay, so we can see how the electrons we can put in each and every orbital, and how they do rotate, how they do form aromatic sextate, and what is the orientation of different lobes or different p orbitals to form this ring. Okay, everything I have shown here. Pyrazole structure, imidazole structure. Pyrazole having 1 2 position nitrogen nitrogen bond, imidazole having 1 3 position nitrogen nitrogen, 2 heteroatoms. In both cases, new nitrogen is pyridine like, and this nitrogen contributes 1 electron to the aromatic pi system. Very important. The pyridine like nitrogen contributes only 1 electron to the aromatic pi system and has a basic lone pair in the sp2 orbital in the plane of the ring. Okay, so pyrrole like nitrogen contributes 2 electron for the aromatic sextate, and pyridine like nitrogen contributes only 1 electron to the aromatic sextate. Now next, here is the orientation of p orbitals. This one is pyrrole like. See, red colored, here I have shown red color line, here I have shown the red color orbitals as well as nitrogen. Blue colored line information, blue colored information is in blue color. The lobes of nitrogen atom, that one is in blue color, as well as lobes are in blue color. Okay, so please refer according to that one. So red color p orbital, which is shown by the pyrrole like nitrogen, 1 into p orbital lone pair. Okay, so pyrrole like, and blue color 1 into sp2 orbital and lone pair, which is pyridine like. So here you can pay attention or two different nitrogen atoms. So pyrrole like nitrogen atom gives shows 2 electrons, but that one is in all in orbital sexted. Pyridine like nitrogen shows total 3 electrons. Okay, total 3 electrons, one lone pair which is present outside this lobe is present outside the whatever we are showing here. This is perpendicular to all the system. Okay, this lobe is, this one lobe is sp2 hybridized lobe, that one is present perpendicular to this all the ring line, and this one is perpendicular to this plane. Okay, so that one is present outside the plane. That's why this lone pair is easily available for protonation. The same thing over here in imidazole. Here you can see how